In this video, I'm going to show you the simple strategy I use to go from zero to over $265 a day in just 60 days with a brand new YouTube channel. Check this out. What you're seeing here are weekly payouts I've received about a month after I started posting videos with this AI strategy. Now, the best part is that this strategy produces the results you see here without ads, without any previous experience, and you don't even have to be on camera in order to make this work. In fact, if you watch this until the end, I'll show you how beginners are earning $50,000 to $100,000 in affiliate commissions by selling other people's products with fully AI-generated faceless videos from scratch. Listen, YouTube is one of the biggest opportunities online right now. You see, unlike other platforms that just trap people in endless scrolling, YouTube is built to match the right content with the right person, and not just viewers, but buyers. That's why you'll see tiny channels with no audience and no brand quietly pulling in 6 figures in revenue. But here's the problem. When you start a new channel, YouTube has no idea who you are. It doesn't know who should see your videos, who would actually watch them, or who's going to want to buy from you. So even when you create a great video, it can go nowhere with no views and no subscribers, or even worse, you might get views, but from the wrong people. And that just means no sales. This is where most people get stuck. All the content gurus say the same thing. Just post consistently. And sure, that advice works great if you already have millions of followers or you built your channel back in 2015 when there was less competition. For a new channel in 2026, that advice just doesn't work. It's not because YouTube doesn't work, it's because you were never shown how to get YouTube to understand who your audience is in the first place. In fact, starting in 2026, YouTube's recent algorithm updates have been favoring new, smaller channels over more established creators. YouTube itself has some new settings that allow you to prime their algorithm before you even post your first video so that it will show your videos to who you want. People taking advantage of this change are seeing immediate jumps in their views and earning small fortunes with just a handful of videos. And at the end of the day, you can either prime your channel this way and get fast results, or just keep posting videos and hope that the algorithm eventually finds your audience. Now, I discovered this completely by accident. You see, over the past few years, I've sold millions of dollars in digital products online, with the majority of our sales coming from affiliates that earn a commission to promote our offers. Now, as a product seller, I get a behind-the-scenes look at where each of these affiliates are getting their traffic from. Lately, I've noticed that all of our top affiliates were sending traffic from tiny YouTube channels, with some earning over $30,000 a month in commissions with under 10,000 subscribers. I had to try this out for myself, so I went out, built a YouTube channel, posted some videos, and completely failed. Half the time I got no views, and even when I did, nobody subscribed and nobody bought my products. However, before I gave up, I decided, let me reach out to my top YouTube affiliate to see what they were doing differently. He agreed to look at my channel and pointed out everything I needed to fix in order to make it work. Now, I expected something complicated and technical, but he explained that my videos were good, YouTube just didn't know who to show them to. He walked me through click by click on what to change, gave me a few pointers for my next video, and that was it. I followed his advice and the results were immediate. The next few videos I posted got thousands of views, bringing in leads and sales. I grew from 100 to over 2,500 subscribers in under a month, and before I knew it, I was doing close to $2,000 a week in net profit right from YouTube. I even started getting emails from potential sponsors that wanted to pay me just to mention their company in a video. All of this in under 2 months with just a handful of small tweaks. Look, in my 15 years selling online, I have never seen something that works this well, this fast. I immediately started teaching this to all of my other product and affiliate partners who have been seeing the same fast results, pulling in leads and sales almost overnight. Now, I've compiled all of the strategies I'm using, as well as the detailed strategies that my top affiliates are using, into a single blueprint that anyone can use to build a profitable YouTube channel fast. I call this blueprint the YouTube Profit Fast Track. The YouTube Profit Fast Track is a beginner-friendly blueprint to build a profitable YouTube channel in under 60 days. All without ads, an existing audience, previous experience, or even having to get in front of a camera. Everything is laid out as an easy to follow checklist that can take you from zero to your first sale or commission in only 48 hours, as well as on-demand coaching to help you scale to 6 figures quickly in 3 easy steps. Step 1 is fast track monetization. Listen, most creators don't even think about monetization until they have thousands of followers, only to realize that by then it's too late. With the YouTube Fast Track Profit, we build our monetization from day one and then prime YouTube to send us buyers rather than just people looking to be entertained. I'll walk you through how you can quickly create and sell your own digital products, or how you can earn huge recurring commissions selling other people's products through affiliate programs. I'll also show you how to generate fast leads and sales for a coaching or local consulting business, as well as a few other monetization programs that most people don't even know exist. Then in step 2, we're gonna prime your new YouTube channel to send you buyers for your chosen offer from day one. This is the real secret behind the YouTube Fast Track. I'm gonna show you all the hidden settings in YouTube that no one talks about. In fact, I'm going to walk you through it by giving you a behind the scenes look at my own new channel so you can see exactly what is working right now. And finally, in step 3, we're gonna publish short, buyer attractor videos that pull in leads and sales on autopilot. These videos only take about 2 to 3 hours to create thanks to the AI tools I'll be sharing with you, and they're specifically designed to pull in leads and sales. Typically, these videos have a 2 to 5% conversion of viewers into leads and around a 1% conversion of viewers into sales depending on the offer. That means for every 1,000 views these simple videos get, you land 30 email leads and 10 sales that can typically pay anywhere from $50 to $100 in sales and commissions. Now, the best part is that these videos are designed to be evergreen. You see, unlike TikTok or Instagram, where even your best content dies in 48 hours and you have to keep posting every day, with the YouTube Fast Track system, every video you post captures leads and buyers years after it's been uploaded. And this fast track system works whether you want to be on camera in your videos like I do, or if you want a completely faceless channel built with AI. In fact, 80% of our YouTube affiliates that are earning 6 figures or more are doing it with completely faceless channels. Now listen, if you're just starting out and looking to land your first sale online, the YouTube Profit Fast Track is the fastest way to get there, and now is the perfect time to get in as a beginner. If you're already trying YouTube and feel stuck, the Fast Track will take your dead channel and prime it to get buyers rather than just passive viewers. And if you're already a successful seller or affiliate, this Fast Track system will give you a new, reliable source of organic customers, allowing you to break your reliance on paid Meta or Google ads. Now, I have to warn you, this is not some magic AI button that will get you rich quick. The YouTube Profit Fast Track requires you to do the work creating videos and marketing in order to make sales and commissions. This is only for you if you're done with the BS hype nonsense and you're willing to put in the work on a proven model. This is the exact system I use to scale to now over $10,000 a month just on YouTube, and my affiliate partners have used this system to hit $30,000 to $40,000 a month. In fact, my partner Luther Landro has also been using this system on a faceless channel recently that is landing him leads, sales, and local consulting clients. This system is absolutely proven. And to make sure you get the same results that we've had on your YouTube channel when you secure your copy of the Fast Track, I'm also including 2 super bonuses that will help you get started even faster. The first super bonus are my Click Optimize YouTube title templates. Your video's title is one of the biggest signals YouTube uses to determine who it shows your video to even before they have the chance to click. Getting this right not only means more views, but also getting the right views that will convert into sales. I wanted to make sure you get this right every time, and so I'm giving you fill-in-the-blank templates that work in any niche, pulled from an analysis of thousands of top-performing videos on YouTube. The second super bonus is my Hook and Sell YouTube script template. This is the exact same script template I use for every video I post that is designed to hook attention quickly, keep them watching until the end, and most importantly, opt into your list or buy your offer. You can use this to write your own video scripts or paste it into your favorite AI along with your video's topic to create the perfect YouTube script every time. Okay, here's everything I'm including inside this offer. The YouTube Fast Track Blueprint, a $97 value on its own. On-demand coaching to walk you through everything, a $297 value if you bought it directly from me. The click optimized title templates, another $97 value, and the hook and sell YouTube script templates, another $97 value. The total value of this package, if you bought everything individually, is $588. Now, I plan on selling this package over webinar for a flat price of $297, which I'm sure you'd agree is a total steal for how fast this system delivers results. However, before I do that, I want even more testimonials from regular folks who are putting it to work for them and earning money with YouTube. Plus, I like to offer my previous customers a crazy deal whenever I release something new. So if you're on this page now, consider yourself lucky. You're getting in at less than half what everyone else will have to pay. Act right now. Promise to give me a testimonial when you land your first sale, and you can have the entire YouTube Profit Fast Track for just one easy payment of only $27. And listen, don't decide right now. Take advantage of my 60-day Fast Track guarantee. Try out the YouTube Profit Fast Track for a full 60 days on me. If you don't get the views, leads, and sales you were expecting from this program, just send me a support ticket with the word refund, and I'll send you back every penny. No questions, no hassles. You can even keep the templates as my gift for trying it out. Look, you've already seen how this fast track system scaled to nearly $2,000 a week in under 60 days. You saw how affiliates following this exact strategy are earning six figures as a result. I'm offering this special price to make it a no-brainer with a performance guarantee that covers the cost. Now it's time for a decision. The way I see it, you have three options. Option one is do absolutely nothing and stay exactly where you are right now. If you already make money online and are not worried about a reliable, steady source of new customers, then maybe you don't need the fast track. But if you'd like to turn YouTube into your own personal lead machine, that only leaves you with two other options. Option two is you do it yourself. You can try to read the tips on this letter below, figure out the 23 different settings YouTube uses to determine who sees your video, and hope you get them all. Then you could see results. If you're willing to work hard and spend hours in front of your computer, you might be able to pull it off. Option three, let me do the heavy lifting for you. Put this proven YouTube blueprint to work for you. I've already done the legwork, testing and refining everything you need to know. All you need to do is follow along step by step and then come back to thousands of views, leads, sales, and commission. Of these options, ask yourself, what's going to be easier for you? You see, there are two types of people in this world. Those that only dream about achieving their financial goals without ever taking action to make it happen, and those who are ready to take action when the opportunity presents itself. Most people will tell you they want to retire rich, but we both know very few actually make it happen. It's the natural law of financial wealth, the classic tale of the willful and the wishful. Most people will keep dreaming, while the few who are actually serious about their financial future will take action. Since you've watched my entire presentation this far, I think you're one of the few special ones, one of the 250 people I'm looking for. And if I'm right and you're still with me, I'm ready to work with you on building your online business, and only you can decide.